Stink bugs are once again on the move, trying to get into homes across the mountains.
They're called stink bugs.
Seen them yet? Stink bugs are back.
We've heard from so many of our viewers desperate for help in getting rid of them.
They're everywhere. They just go wow, 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 and they land on you and then they scare you.
Hello guys, this video is about an invasive species that is called the brown marmorated stink bug, or the scientific name is called Haliomorpha halis. First of all, I want to talk about the characteristic and the biology of the marmorated stink bug. The brown marmorated stink bug has shield-shaped body that is characteristic of all stink bugs. The adults are approximately 70 mm or 5 to 8 inches long with mottled brownish grey color. The antennal segment has a wide band and several of the abdominal segments protrude from beneath the wing and are alternatively banded with black and white. The underside is white, sometimes with grey or black marking, and the legs are brown with faint white banding. Next, the brown marmorated stink bug has 5 nymphal stages or instars and ranges in size from 2.4 mm to 12 mm in length. Unlike the adult, who blend in very well with bark, the nymph are more brightly colored with red and black. The characteristic of nymph is dark reddish eye and yellowish red abdomen that is also striped with black. The legs and antenna of the nymph are black with white banding.
According to Zhu et al. 2012, the stink bugs originally come from East Asia, which is China, Japan, Taiwan, and Korea. It was reported that the stink bugs were first detected in Allentown, Pennsylvania in 1996. From the Allentown, it spread rapidly throughout most of countries such as Switzerland, Canada, and New Zealand.
The brown marmorated stink bug has spread rapidly throughout the United States since it was discovered in North America. Following its invasion in North America, the stink bug has expanded to Europe, Eurasia, and Chile in South America, making it an invasive species with a global impact. The stink bug has associated itself to man-made structures such as cargo containers and parked vehicles. This enables the movement of the stink bug across states or between countries, which has resulted to its widespread.
Based on the study, it also reported that almost 27,000 individuals recorded in 6-month periods. Yet, it became the principal agricultural pest and affected the people's home during late fall and winter. The presence of the stink bugs to the respective environment can cause highly damage to the native species.
According to the Orkins, this bug, often referred as or simply we can say stink bug, is the most active at from March to September. The peak season is during fall months. So stink bugs is usually found on fruits, buds or pods. But however, the bugs will also feed on the sap of the tree and other plants, which Tennessee State University said that the piece of the stem or bark of the trees and cause a potential for disease transmission. While the most active season for stink bugs is going through fall, stink bug can find their way into your home in the winter months.
Stink bugs can be found flying in the air and crawling on the walls or outside the windows. Well, they can be found everywhere. There are some of the most significant problems from these invasive bugs have been rises. Under high populations, these invasive bugs can release a stinking odor from their dorsal scent glands and can make indoor settings inhospitable. They also can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. The bugs' phrase can stain walls and curtains. If these bugs are squeezed or vacuumed, they emit a stinking vapor that makes it challenging to handle this bug. Besides that, these invasive species can affect a wide range of outdoor landscape and garden plants such as apples, peaches, and grapes. In 2010, Pennsylvania was reported to face a significant problems in apple and peaches production due to this stink bug invasion. Meanwhile, in mid-Atlantic, it had been reported that many growers have lost their essential crops.
To know how to get rid of stink bugs that have already entered a home or buildings, a vacuum cleaner can aid in the removal of live or dead stink bugs. The bag must be discarded to prevent a dog from permeating the area. If an infestation has developed inside the home or building, a licensed pest control professional should be called to evaluate and assess the problem. To prevent stink bug from entering homes and buildings, seal cracks around windows, doors, utility pipes, behind chimney and other openings. Other than that, use good quality silicone or silicone latex chalks to close those openings. Moreover, damaged screen on doors should be repaired or replaced. Stink bugs are attracted to light, so change the exterior lighting to less attractive yellow bulbs or sodium vapor lights.